Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share ways to learn English part 2. Dear friends and students and viewers, if you mistake this video or skip, you will miss more important information. Friends, let's get started. Today I am going to discuss ways to learn English part 2. At first, I am describing about new word. In every single day, you should memorize new words more and more. After that, you should write on paper. You must be memorized these kinds of words. If you don't know the meaning of new words, you have to go to searching dictionary. You must search your dictionary. Understand? Okay. Next, we are going to these new words we must apply in different sentences. These kinds of new words which will be applied in many sentences. After that, or come back from there, we have to discuss with our family members. Anybody can discuss about speaking English or spoken English with your friends, cousins, brother and sisters who knows English a little or well or very well. Most of the students in present situation who cannot agree to speak with their teachers, they fear. After they fear to talk with their teachers because of fairness. I will suggest you, you must discuss with your teachers on Facebook Messenger. Basically, it is very popular for discussing spoken English with many other items on Facebook Messenger. If you have a good teacher, you can speak all things, such as you are watching behind me. How beautiful the scenery is. Actually, this scenery is very beautiful. You are looking, this scenery is very beautiful. It is awesome, excellent. Actually, about this matter, if you see in front of you, you should discuss these kinds of about your teacher on Facebook Messenger or directly, indirectly, in any way. However, friends, if you don't speak in English, you don't fear, never. You should have remain hopeful or peaceful. Actually, friends, this scenery is very beautiful. We are watching many fishes are eating something. You are looking. Actually, you are looking a boy who is throwing various kinds of fish on the pond. Friends, have a good day and thanks for watching still my video. We will discuss next another video. Allah Hafiz.